Milk, milk, Melona. Milk, 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 milk. Opo, do not play with your milk, ha? You drink na so that you take the medicine. Yeah, you take the medicine inside your milk so that you feel better. Yeah, you feel hot. You feel burn inside you. Come on, you drink the milk. You drink your milk na. Opo, drink your milk na. That's not how you do it. You zip only, zip. Milk later. Do not play with your milk, huh? Wait, it fell down. It fell down. Oink! It fell down. You have something in your eyes. Oink! Fell down naman. Come on na so that you feel better. Melona, Melona wants to drink her milk. Milk, 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 milk. Drink ng milk, not playing na ang milk. Drink ang milk to feel better. Dahil mayroon gamot yan. Come on, you drink it. What are you doing? That's not how you do that. Tatapo na. Oh, suntok yung mukha mo. Ay, hindi na. I will be the one to hold it. Okay. I'll be the one to drink it. I'll be the one to drink it. You don't like it, really? No, you don't like it. You feel something? Should I put some more milk inside? Ha? Daddy, pwedeng pagidagdagan mo to ng isa pang scoop. Nalalasahan niya yung asin. Nalalasahan niya siguro yung asin. Dagdagan mo lang ng isang scoop. This is Melona. Melona has a fever because of the Penta injection. Look at her foot socks. Frog! A frog! Oink. What does the frog says? Ribbit? Ribbit? Ribbit. Am I correct? Is that ribbit? Huh? Is that ribbit? Or something like, I don't know, what does the frog sounds like? Do you know it? I don't like it. Melona has a fever. Na 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 na. Melona has a fever. Na 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 na. You not do that? Oink. Fell down. Oink. This is new one. I hope you want to zip it already, ha? So that your fever go away na. Oh, come on. You drink it. It's different na. Yeah, it tasty na. Why you don't like it? You did not taste it yet, eh. It's different. It's different na. Oh, you taste it first. See? You taste it. Na lang. Mami na lang. Melona. About Milana, Milana, Milana. Milana naman. At 3 p.m. it will be expired na. You have to drink it so that you will feel better. Come on. Oh, drink it na. You don't like. You don't. You don't like. Look at your face.